Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 307, Styling Modern Lists. One of the new features exclusive to modern lists in Power Pages is the advanced styling interface. Let's look at what options we have to customize how our list is displayed and how we can share those settings with other lists. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. You can access the List Design pop-up by clicking on the paintbrush icon in the List toolbar available in the Power Pages Design Studio. Here, you'll see three tabs. The Standard tab allows you to set the border width and color, height, margin, padding, and shadow width and color. For margin, padding, and shadow width, you can set one value for all four sides, or set each side individually. The Header tab lets you set the background color, font family, weight, and size, and the border width and color for the header. On the Row tab, you can set similar details as for the header, plus the text alignment, and you have the option to specify a different background color for alternating rows using the banded rows area. If you'd like to reset your styling choices, simply click the Reset button. If you want to share the styles you've created with another modern list, click the Copy Design button. This will copy a JSON object containing your styles to the clipboard. You can then open your other list and click the Paste Design option to apply the styles from the clipboard. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 307 on styling modern lists useful.